Echo 29, Echo 29. Skywatch, over. Echo 29, Echo 29. Skywatch, over. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've pretty much got my rig set up the way I want it. I have a medium Alice rig here. May not look like it, but this is a medium Alice. Okay? I have 10 extra pockets. I believe it's 10. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see here. I got a lot of pockets, right? Okay, let's see. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 extra pockets. So I've got 6 extra pockets, which are tiger stripe, and 4 extra pockets, which are not tiger stripe. Let me just say that. I got a Sustainment pouch on each side, which is M81 Woodland, and then I've got the 2 Kifaru pouches on the top there underneath the tiger stripe. Okay, those are Multicam, which have been dyed with apple dye. So that kind of gives it like a Multicam Tropic, somewhere between a Multicam Tropic and a Woodland hue to it, okay? And on the bottom is a Danish military DPM, Woodland DPM sausage bag, right? You saw me set that up in another video there for you. And actually I've got 11 pouches because I have the radio pouch on underneath my back here on the Alice pack frame, right? Inside I've got the 2-way radio, transceiver, and I've got the whip antenna, which I have folded over because of the ceiling here, right? Obviously for the ceiling. And I can't just flip it up over my head to put it on because of the ceiling, right? So I had to kind of just put it on like a normal person would with a regular old pack. Alright, so this kind of like sets you up in your mind with how scalable the medium Alice pack is. Okay, how scalable it is, right? So, yeah. If you have questions or comments, feel free to email. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. think that's pretty much it. So, catch you later on in another video. And if you are interested in seeing other stuff, let me know. Alright? Catch you later.